me, Megz, and I am back with another video, and this video is all about my favorite MAC lipsticks because I'm a MAC girly to the core. I day one, very true to it, not new to it. And yes, girl, I am here to share and show you all of my favorite MAC nude lipsticks that I wear and reach for the absolute most. I don't know if you can kind of tell the kind of vibe that I like when it comes to nude lipsticks. It's kind of like the warm nudes, rosy, kind of pinky nudes that I do enjoy. So yes, let's go ahead and get into each and every one of these MAC lipsticks that I love down. I remember when I got my very first MAC product probably over 15 years ago, and when I tell you I felt like I had arrived, and I have been with MAC ever since. MAC lipsticks are my favorite lipsticks because I love the formula, I love the finishes, I love the packaging, but when it comes to the lipsticks, I always use Chesnut by MAC, which is a lip liner. I love how it looks on my skin tone. I love how it looks with each and every nude lipstick that I own. I don't really switch up and do too much when it comes to other lip liners by MAC. I just feel like Chesnut is my home. Chesnut gets me together. So I just wanted to let you guys know that with each and every nude lipstick that I own by MAC, I'm always grabbing for Chesnut, okay? Chesnut is beautiful. It's a beautiful brown, warm kind of color. Yes, so you know Chesnut if you know Chesnut. So it's so amazing, long lasting. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It lasts through eating, drinking, all of the things. And of course, I'm wearing Chesnut today with this lip combo, of course, by MAC. And of course, before we get into the actual lipsticks, this is actually the lip gloss that I like to use with a lot of my lipstick combos, which is the MAC lip gloss in clear. It's a good old sticky lip gloss, long lasting, okay? When I wear this, it just really gets my lips together as far as blending my lip combo together, just giving an effortless, juicy look, okay? So lip gloss is definitely my holy grail, my staple. I need to get one more of these. I almost thought I lost this a couple days ago, and I was real sick about it because I was like, well, dang, I lost my lip gloss. But you can see how much I've been loving my lip gloss. It's only this much left, so I am due for another one. So I just want to let you guys know that too. Lip gloss on top of the nude gives you that juicy pout, okay, that I like. And first up is Call It Cozy. If you are a beautiful chocolate woman like myself, you need Call It Cozy. I'm wearing Call It Cozy right now, paired with MAC Chesnut and the lip gloss on top, the clear lip gloss, and I have not touched up in 3 hours. Okay, yeah. Let's talk about it. It's such a beautiful, beautiful nude. It goes with pretty much everything. I reach for this the most because I am a nude girl. And if I am correct, this is the Maximal Sleek Satin lipstick that came out last year when they did a whole relaunch of their lipsticks. Because also the packaging when it comes to MAC is a lot different with their new lipsticks. Because I have some old packaging of MAC. And look how it's a little bit different. I'm not sure if I necessarily get more lipstick now or not. I'm going to do some further research. When I tell you Call It Cozy looks absolutely stunning as far as an everyday nude lip or a night out on the town. I love wearing this with this kind of look here with my bright under eyes or a real cute smoky look. Ugh. Gosh, it's sickening. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So it's a satin finish, y'all. And I love this color so much because it just looks beautiful on my skin tone, and it's not too much of a scary nude where it takes like a lot of blending or it's very intimidating, because you know sometimes people are intimidated by nudes, but this is a very warm kind of like brown type of nude. I like more of the natural nudie brown hues when it comes to nude lipstick. So have this on today, super, super cute. I grab Call It Cozy the absolute most because I just love the way it makes my lips look. But my second favorite is Peach Stock. And I know it looks quite similar to Call It Cozy, but they're not the same, okay? They're not the same, but they borderline look the same, girl, because now I'm looking like, is this the same? Now, Call It Cozy is a deeper nude. This one has more of a yellow undertone, and I like, you know, wearing this, of course, with many different looks as well. It's just such a beautiful color, and this is, of course, a part of the Maximal Sleek, and this is a satin lipstick finish. Love this down. It's such a sickening color. I love this. Every time I go outside, I'm being stopped in the restroom by the girls. Which lipstick are you wearing? Especially when I'm reapplying it, because it's such a beautiful, beautiful color. They better not discontinue Peach Stock, okay? I probably need to get some backups of Peach Stock. Peach Stock is gorgeous. My third absolute favorite is Cool Teddy. Now, I used to wear Teddy back in the day. And they did do a re-release last year, and I had to get it. You know I had to get it. And Cool Teddy was a part of the Maximal release last year, but Cool Teddy is a lot different from the Velvet Teddy that I used to wear back in the day. I think that's what it was called, Velvet Teddy. Cool Teddy has more of a pink undertone to it now, which is still cute, but I like the old Velvet Teddy that I used to wear. It was more of a nude brown kind of look, but I'm not mad at this. This is a matte finish, and I love reaching for this to more warmer looks that are more on the kind of like rosy side of, as far as makeup goes. I like to reach for this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Yash is another must-have, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's more on the cool side in my opinion. Very, very beautiful color. I love this color down so much. I like to wear this more so as far as like an everyday work color in my opinion. It's just subtle, gets the job done, and I like to build this up or kind of wear it more sheered as well. That goes for a lot of my nude lipsticks. I kind of like to wear them more on the heavy side or sheer them out with the lip gloss to give more of a glossy finish. But gosh, the formula of this new kind of like re-release that MAC did, it's different. It's smooth application. It glides on the lips beautifully. I just love MAC lipsticks, and Yash is that girl. Okay, if you don't get any MAC lipstick, get Yash. It's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I just feel like you really can't have too many nudes. You really can't. And now that I'm looking at my collection, I'm a specific kind of nude girl, because I'm looking at these lipsticks, I'm like, they kind of look the same, but they're not. Each one has a slightly different undertone. They do. And I do have the relaunch of Folio, okay? I always love Folio, but I will be honest, I don't grab for her as much because it's more on the cool tone side for my skin tone, and I like my makeup and my lips to be more on the warmer side, like how my makeup looks today. I love kind of like the warm oranges and warm rosy tones when it comes to kind of like my neutral nude makeup. And Folio is absolutely gorgeous when I go for kind of like that 2000s cool tone makeup, and I will be doing some more makeup tutorials here for y'all because I know y'all was like, where is the makeup? We're gonna get back into it, girl, okay? But this gives 2000s value, okay? And it goes so well with other lip combos as well. I personally like to wear it alone, or I like to wear it layered underneath something else as far as like a gloss goes. This is also definitely a must-have. I haven't found a lip liner that I like using with this because, yes, Chesnut is cute with Folio, but I feel like Chesnut kind of clashes with Folio. So let me know in the comments below which lip liner you use with Folio, because I think I would reach for her a little bit more if I had a different, more cooler lip liner. So I'm definitely going to get into some different lip liners to use with Folio. But when I tell you this is absolutely stunning on, it's gorgeous, gorgeous on when you want to do cool tone makeup. So for example, that's kind of like more of like, me personally, I like to do a lot of shimmer glitter eyes with Folio, or like a matte look, or a early 2000s cool tone, the gray shadows, all of that kind of good stuff, y'all. So that's what I'm getting at with Folio. So Folio is a very specific category. I like wearing Folio at nighttime. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like if you're going to be at a function and it's kind of like dark in there, it just, with a gloss on top, yes. Okay, yes. Yes. So these next three lipsticks, I don't think they are available anymore at MAC, okay? Because one, this packaging is completely different, and I've had these lipsticks for quite a long time. So let me get into the first one that is my favorite, and I think Down to an Art is gone. I don't think they sell her anymore. She's more of kind of like that rosy nude, more on the deeper side for me personally, because I do kind of like the lighter nude colors, and I kind of like to gradient them in as far as the lip combo. But this gives me more of a deeper kind of nude color, but it's more so on the rosy side, and I absolutely love this color Down so much. And I don't think it's at MAC anymore. I think they discontinued this. So I am happy that I still have this. I don't know if I should still even have this as old as this lipstick is. You know what I mean? But I'm going to keep wearing it. If I notice something pops up on my lips, then I'll throw it away. But no, I'm keeping her. I hope they kind of like re-release this if they haven't already, because I haven't been to MAC in a little minute, and I'm due to make a run to MAC to get some more stuff though. But she's gorgeous. She's beautiful. Honey Love was my very first lipstick. I wore. I was like, yes, because I've always been into, you know, neutral colors, and Honey Love is just a really pretty, just straight to the point matte lipstick that goes with so many different looks. Again, I have a specific kind of color palette that I enjoy wearing as far as when it comes to nude lipsticks. It's more on the warmer side, more of kind of like beigey warm in my opinion. So beautiful, beautiful color. Oh gosh, I love wearing it alone, and of course with combos as well. Now this lipstick here is called Gel, and it is a frost, and I like using this as a topper with other lip combos that I like to do as far as when it comes to my nude lipsticks. It gives me kind of like that early 2000s frosty look, and it's such a beautiful gold sheer, kind of like shimmer tone lipstick. It's very, very sheer, so I can wear this alone, and sometimes I do, for that really nice kind of like easy peasy look, or of course top off on another lipstick. But it's absolutely stunning, y'all. It's a gold smooth look. Look how that looks. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And those are my favorite MAC nude lipsticks, y'all. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I am looking down in the comment section. I want to know what nude lipsticks you've been loving from MAC, okay? Because I want to know. I'm always down to try a new nude lipstick from MAC. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. All information is down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.